What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have an update on Binance Coin BNB, which has been performing absolutely crazy. As you guys can see, a huge increase, not just over the last 24 hours, however over the last week, last few months. It has gained an insane amount of value. Right now trading at $1,300, guys. It's up 6% in the last 24 hours, 30% in the last week, and over the last month over 50%, which is insane. So how high can BNB go, guys? A lot of people are predicting it to hit $2,000 by the end of November, which again is a bit of a push. I'm not predicting it to go that high. However, it has been performing very well, that a lot of people are getting high hopes for this crypto. However, a lot of people are also asking, is it time to sell it right now before it drops back down in value and take out your profits, or is it time to buy more and keep holding on to it for the long term? That's exactly what we'll be going through in today's video. But before I do that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So looking at the RSI, we've got one at 64.86 and one at 79.24, which is pretty high. One is telling us the crypto is overvalued and one is very close to being overvalued. Hence why, even though it is likely to hit more green candles over the coming hours, potentially over the next few days, it is likely to step back down to below closer to $1,000 towards mid to late October is what my predictions are. Reason being is, yes, we've also seen let's have a look. Bitcoin has also hit a new all-time high at 124,000 right now, so that is a hype for the crypto market. However, BNB has done incredible figures over the last 2 to 3 weeks, guys. So it is time for it to go for a minimal price correction towards the end of October, heading into November, heading down closer to the $1,000 mark. Even then, it is still going to be quite high. Even if it hits $1,000, it's never been anywhere near $1,000 before. So yeah, I'm predicting a minimal pullback from BNB over the next couple of weeks. So let's look into it a little bit further. So if we do bring out the MACD indicator on the hourly chart here, it is looking very bullish, but the reason for that is the major pump that has been taking place over the last couple of hours. It is likely to head up even higher than where it is at the moment, getting close to 1.41450 is what I'm predicting before it slowly starts to drop back down closer to $1,200 towards the end of the week, so over the next couple of days. Zooming out to the 4-hour chart again, looking very bullish, very steep, and again, this is not as realistic as it seems. The only reason it's looking so steep is because, again, the major pump that's taken place. So it is a little bit biased right now due to the pump. However, as predicted, I am predicting the crypto to go through an overall minimal drop in value over the coming weeks, heading closer to the daily chart over the next few months. Again, we are looking too steep to be realistic, so I'll have to update you guys on that in another video. But heading towards the end of the year, I am predicting BNB to head closer up to $1,700, $1,800, somewhere around that price range, as I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading closer to $135,000, $140,000, which should have a major positive impact on the crypto market. Now, bringing on the Bollinger Band here, we can see the crypto unfortunately is way above the red figure here, which is 1254. It is currently at 1320, which is pretty high compared to its upper band of the Bollinger Band, which is here in red, meaning this is another indicator telling us the crypto is more on the overvalued side, indicating a bearish movement for the crypto over the coming days, dropping down closer to $1,200 for it to be much more sustainable. And again, it is crypto, it is a volatile market, so these things are pretty normal as long as it doesn't go overboard and go crazy. So again, a minimal correction in value is predicted for BNB. So trading volume, I'm expecting it to have gone crazy, 65% up in the last 24 hours at $7.7 billion, guys, which is absolutely insane. So earlier on in the year, we did see the trading volume around just below $2 billion. However, with the pump, is going crazy right now, probably one of its highest that it has been in the past. So if we look here, we have seen it about $7 billion in 2021, when again it did go crazy from about $33 all the way up to around $671, but right now it's doubled that. So yeah, it is performing very well. End of year target for me, $1,800, somewhere around that price range is what I'm predicting. Comment down below your end of year target for BNB. How high are you guys predicting this crypto to go? Comment down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the giveaway. And I'll catch you guys all in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.